Good afternoon to all the students. Today I am going to start exercise 6.3. Before starting it, read about, let's understand about angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle is the total measure of all three angles of a triangle will be 180 degree. मतलब the sum of all angles of a triangle will be equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will be equal to 180 degree. Let's start exercise 6.3. First question is you have to find the value of unknown x. There is given triangle. In this there are two angles are given, 50 degree, 60 degree and x. By angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, means sum of all angles of a triangle will be equal to 180 degree. 50 plus 60 plus x is equal to 180, so means 110 plus x is equal to 180. The value of x is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree. Second triangle is 90 degree, 30 degree and x is given in the triangle. By angle sum property, I will do sum of all these three angles, and P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. 30 plus 90 plus angle x is equal to 180 degree. 120 plus x is equal to 180. So x, the value of x is equal to 180 minus 120, 60 degree. Now the third question is 110, 30 and x given in the triangle. I will use angle sum property. With the sum of all angles will be equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 110 plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. 110 plus 30, it will become 140. I will take 140 on the right hand side. 180 minus 140, answer is 40 degree. Fourth part is x and 50 degree. I will use angle sum property here. At angle x plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. The sum of all angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. I will take this 50 degree on the right hand side. 180 minus 50 degree is equal to 130 degree. So x की value आ गई 130 by 2 is equal to 65 each. Both angles are of 65 degree. Fifth part is angle sum property, x. I will use angle sum property. Angle x plus angle x is equal to 180 degree, means sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. 3x is equal to 180. Value of x is equal to 180 by 3. It is 60 degree. मतलब each angle is of 60 degree. Sixth part is here is angle 2x, x and 90 degree. I will use all these three angles. X plus 2x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. X plus 2x means 3x. I will take this 90 on the RHS. 180 minus 90, it will become 90. X की value आ गई 90 by 3 is equal to 30 degree. It means this angle is 30 degree and this angle is double of 30, means 60 degree. Find the values of unknown x and y. Now students, you have to find the value of x and as well as y. Two angles are given. First I will use linear pair. Linear pair means sum of angles, two angles of a straight line will be equal to 180 degree. अगर उनमें से एक 128 means the other is 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. By linear pair I have got the value of angle y which is equal to 60 degree. Then I will use angle sum property, x plus 50 degree plus 60 degree. Now y is 60 degree or the x is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 170 degree. It means x की वैल्यू आ गई 170 डिग्री and y की वैल्यू आ गई 60 डिग्री. Now look at this question, second part. Here is 80 degree, here is y 50 degree and x. By vertical opposite angle, angle y is also 80 degree. By vertical opposite angle, y is also 80 degree. Now there are two angles given in the triangle, 80 degree and 50 degree. I will use these two angles to find the third angle by angle sum property. Angle x plus angle y plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. Then angle x is equal to 80 plus 50 is equal to 180, means 130. I will take this 130 on the RHS. I will subtract this number from 180. The answer will be 50. Now the value of x is equal to 50 degree and value of y is equal to 80 degree. Now third part, look at this part. 50 degree and 60 degree given, you have to find the value of x as well as y. First of all, I will use this triangle. Two angles are given. With the help of angle sum property, I will find out the third angle. 50 degree plus 60 degree is equal to plus y degree is equal to 180. 110 plus y is equal to 180. So the value y is 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. It means value of y is 70 degree. By using linear pair, I will find out the value of x also. X plus y is equal to 180 degree, means by linear pair the sum of two angles of a straight line will be equal to 180. उनमें से एक 70 78 means other is 180 minus 70, 110 degree. So the value of x is equal to 110 degree and value of y is equal to 70 degree. Now fourth part is, look at this figure, y, x, 60 degree and 30 degree. I will use these angles first. X is equal to 60 degree by vertically opposite angle. X is equal to 60 degree by vertically opposite angle. Now I have got 30 degree, 60 degree and y in this triangle. I will use angle sum property to find the value of y. 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. So the angle of y is, value of y is equal to 90 degree and angle of x is equal to, value of x is equal to 60 degree. Fifth part is, look at this figure, 90 degree, here is y. It means y and 90 degree are opposite, vertical opposite angles. So the value of y is equal to vertical opposite angle 90 degree. By angle sum property, x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. I will take this 90 on right hand side. 180 minus 90 which is equal to 90. So the value of x is equal to 90 by 2, 45 degree. X की value आ गई 45 degree and y value is 90 degree. Now look at this figure. This is angle x, angle y, angle x, angle x. Then these are vertical opposite angles. So the values of x and y are same by vertical opposite angle theorem. Angle x is equal to angle y. Then by angle sum property, angle x plus angle x is equal to 180 degree. 3x is equal to 180 degree. So the value of x is equal to 180 upon 3 is equal to 60 degrees. Students, here is angle x, so this is also angle x, vertical opposite angle. This is x, so here is also angle vertical opposite angle x. So means in interior angles of a triangle will be x, x and y, but y is also equal to x. So the interior angles of a triangle is x, x and x, or the sum of all three angles, 3x is equal to 180. So the value of x is equal to 60 degree. It means all the interior angles of a triangle is 60 degree. It is an equilateral triangle. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.